You can exhibit referent power on the first day of school by blank. Would this be? Letter A, employing power-seeking strategies. Letter B, giving your students a sense of belongingness and acceptance. Letter B, making your students feel you know what you are talking about. Or letter D, enforcing your authority over your students. Back na choice po natin here is letter B, giving your students a sense of belongingness and acceptance. Legitimate power. Kapag ka sinabi mo pong legitimate power, ito yung power na meron tayo because of our position, because of our role as teachers. Diba? I am the teacher here and I am in charge. Reward power, no? This is your power, your ability to give reward. So po pwedeng verbal, po pwede din namang a little something. No? Kabaliktaran po niya yung coercive power. No? Coercive power mo naman po, as a teacher, you have the ability to punish. So po pwedeng magbigay ka ng detention, pa-face the wall mo yung student. No? Expert power, yung iba sa inyo kanina, expert power po yung sinagot. No? When you say expert power, you know what you are talking about. Okay? So you have the expertise. You have the mastery of the topic at hand. Of course, we were looking for referent power. You are perceived as someone who is caring. You are perceived to be thinking about the best interest of your students.